Hello, welcome to the session of 9 for the MCQ of Artificial Intelligence. Let's start. Which value is assigned to alpha and beta in the alpha beta running? Is it alpha is equal to max? Is it beta is equal to mean? Is it beta is equal to max? Or is it both alpha is equal to max and beta is equal to mean? So the correct answer is both alpha is equal to max and beta is equal to min. So as per the diagram, we can see that the alpha at max level and the beta at the minimum level. Next question, zero sum game has to be a game of how many players? Is it single player? Is it two player? Is it multiplayer? Or is it three player? The correct answer is multiplayer. So based on this diagram, we can see that the game designed for not for single player, two player or three player, but the combination of the various kind of algorithms it will make for multiplayer. So this is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Where does the value of alpha beta search get updated? Is it along the path of search? Is it initial state itself? Is it at the end? Or is it none of above? The correct answer is along the path search. So in the diagram we can see that the value of alpha beta search get updated at along the path of search. Next question. How the effectiveness of the alpha beta pruning gets increased depends on the nodes or depends on the order in which they executed or all of above or none of above. The correct answer is depend on nodes. So the number of nodes effects of alpha beta pruning get increased. As per the diagram, we can see that the number of nodes increase and thus that the pruning gets also getting increased. And the final question is, what is called the transportation table? Is it hash table of next seen position? Is it hash table of previously seen position? Is it next value in search or none of above? The correct answer is hash table of previously seen position. So in the diagram you can see that the transposition table mapping like its work on hash table of previously seen position, and that is called as a transposition table. This is all for this session. We will see more in next session. Thank you so much.